Good morning children, welcome to Gopi Krishna online classes. Today we are here to discuss about the avoiding of plastic. In last class we discussed about the disadvantage of plastic. What will happen on using of more plastics? What the effect caused by the plastics on environment? Okay children. So in that a little bit part also we need to discuss now. Have you ever seen the garbage children? Have you ever seen the garbage children? Garbage means what children? Where the all kind of wastage are disposed. The place where the wastage of homes or factories are collected on roads are disposed. That place are called garbage. Have you ever seen the garbage children? Yes, in that garbage we see all kind of wastage are disposed, and also we see in that garbage the animals are eating. Yes or no children? Animals are eating in the garbage. In that process, the animals also ate the polythene bags and the food wrapped in the polythene covers. Because they don't know to separate or they don't know about the plastic, it is very dangerous to health or environment. Yes or no children? They think the food is fried in that the polythene also food like the animals means cows, buffaloes like that. They ate the food along with the polythene bags. If it ate polythene bags also along with the food, what will happen? Do you think that consequences, children? Do you think that consequences happen to the animals they ate along with the polythene bags? So, for example, if it ate the polythene bags along with the food, it chokes into its body and it chokes in its stomach and it enters into its respiratory system. And also it causes for the death of animals because it stuck in the stomach of animals. It stuck and it stops the functioning of parts in the cows. Yes or no children? It stops the functioning because the total part of the animal in the stomach and inside of the body of cows, that all parts are covered or filled with plastics. Then the plastic may stop the functioning and it may cause for death of the animals. See children, by throwing out food in packing in polythene bag, it takes a severe action on the cows. Who did that mistake children? Either cows or humans? Humans done the mistake. Due to the mistake done by the humans, punishment have by the cows. And also, whenever we went to picnic or shops or for something buying, we will throw the polythene bags here and there. Carelessly we throw the polythene bags. Carelessly. We won't think before the throwing of polythene bags. Carelessly we throw the plastic bags here and there on the roads or something like that. The thrown plastic bags are most to the drainage, the water when the rain comes through the along the water, the plastic bags also moves along the water and they clogging the drains. Clogging means it stops the flow of water. Then what will happen children? If it stops the flow of water, that water comes to the roads and comes to our homes. That is happened due to the careless throwing of plastic bags here and there. See, due to reckless of our duties, we only suffer. Along with us, the animals are also going to be suffer. Like this doing means it leads to the environment pollution. That environment pollution leads to and it punishes to the humans present on the earth. That's why before throwing the plastic bags, twice think, if I am throwing plastic bag on earth, then where does it go? We know, it is not decomposed. then it is the right way to throw the plastic bag here and there? No, it is not a right way. Compulsory, it's a wrong decision to throw the plastic bags on the roads. Then we need to take some precautions. We, as a citizen of India, as a responsible citizen, we need to take some precautions while throwing the plastic bags. Unnecessarily, don't throw the plastic bags here and there. Then what we need to take the measures, safety measures on disposal of plastic. Give some suggestions by you. Give some suggestions by you also. What we need to take the safety precautions. The first safety precaution is avoid the use of plastic unnecessarily. The first is avoid the plastic. Avoid the plastic. For unnecessary. Don't use for silly things also. Don't use plastic. For example, you are going to market for shopping. You are not having bag means that all items are wrapped or packed in a polythene bag. Yes or no, children? So, like that you are doing daily means the polythene bags are going to be increased in our home. Instead of that, you may carry a cotton bag or jute bag for marketing, for shopping. Then, are you taking the polythene cover, children, to pack that? No need. Because we have a polythene bag, the shopkeeper will not give any plastic bag. That all items are keep in your bag and we will take to our home. Then this is the way to decrease the using of plastic in our home. Yes or no, children? Like that doing means daily, whenever you are going to shopping, carry a cotton bag or jute bag. Like that doing means it is some chance to decrease the using of plastic. And carry a cotton or jute bag. Next, separate the wastage of biodegradable and non-biodegradable. When you are throwing the wastage in the municipality van, before that you need to separate the wastages into biodegradable and non-biodegradable. Separate the wastage into biodegradable and non-biodegradable. Biodegradable and non-biodegradable. So these separation may help in the disposal of wastage. Because if you are not separated the wastage into biodegradable, non-biodegradable, they throw all at the same place. Then sometimes the house may also eat the non-biodegradable items. Then it is very severe problem to the animals who ate that non-biodegradable item. If you separate it, they can dispose it separately. Biodegradable waste at one place, non-biodegradable waste at another place. They take some precautions how to decompose it. Understood, children? And also suggest as a responsible citizen, a responsible person, you also suggest your suggestions how we can reduce the plastics, how we can avoid the plastics. Understood, children? Next, it is better to recycle the one more important thing is to avoid the process of avoiding plastic is recycle the plastic items. Recycle the plastic. It is the major important in the decreasing of or in the minimizing of using of plastic. So recycle the plastic. Recycling the plastic means you use plastic for one purpose. So at that purpose the using is over. That plastic item may decay. That means spoiled. Instead of throwing, it is due for recycling. Recycling means again from that spoiled plastic they make one more item by recycled. Instead of getting new plastic, they recycle the old plastic only. From the old plastic to they recycle and again give to you one more object. So due to doing this, we are minimizing the using of plastic. Understood, children? Next, make a list of mostly thermoplastic items. All thermoplastic items are recyclable. But thermostatic plastics are not recyclable. Because why? Because thermostatic plastics are not recyclable. Only thermoplastics are recyclable because thermoplastic means the plastics which molded ones, again there is a possibility to remold on heating. The plastics is melt on heating or bent on heating are called thermoplastic. But what about thermostatic plastic? The plastic once molded not possible to melt on heating. Once it is molded, it is not possible to melt by heating that plastic. It is called thermostatic plastic. That's why most of thermoplastic items are recyclable. Make a list, children. What are the recyclable items? Will you make a list, children? Yes. Make one list. What are the items are recyclable? What are the plastic items are recyclable? Okay, children. This is one way. This is by following these things, safety precautions, there is a possibility to minimize the using of plastics. Okay, children. And so, as a responsible citizen, we need follow the 5R principle. What do 5R principle means? Recycle, reuse, recover, reduce and refuse. So these are the recycle and reuse, recover, reduce, refuse. By following these 5 rules or 5 principles, there is a possibility to minimize the plastic. Understood, children? This is the lesson of synthetic fibers and plastic. By today, we finish the lesson, and by next class, we are going to new lesson, coal and petroleum. Understood, children? So make the important points, write down, and if you have any doubts, ask me, children. Okay, children? Once again, what we discussed in the lesson briefly, we will recall it. We discussed about fibers and different types of fibers. How many different types of fibers are there? Fibers are two types. There, natural fiber and synthetic fiber. What is natural fiber? Natural fiber is the fiber which is obtained from the natural sources are called natural fiber. What is synthetic fiber? The fiber which is obtained from the minerals and chemicals are called synthetic fibers. Give some examples for natural fibers. The main example is, children, cotton, jute, wool, silk are the example of natural fibers. See, give some examples for synthetic fibers: nylon, rayon, polyester, acrylic. They are the example for plastic. They are the example of synthetic fibers. And also discussed about synthetic fibers, very deeply about synthetic fibers, about rayon, nylon, polyester, acrylic. The main thing present in the making the fiber is polymer. What is that, children? Polymer. Polymer means what, children? The long chain formed by the combination of small units are called polymer. The long chain formed by the joining of small units are called what, children? Polymer. What we call the small unit present in the polymer, children? That is called as monomer. Understood, Nana? And also we discussed about the plastics and the various kinds of plastics. Advantage of plastic also, disadvantage of plastics. Okay, children, we will meet in the next class with a new lesson.